Some people don't chase respect, yet they seem to have it everywhere they go. In conversations, in rooms full of people, even in silence. It's not luck, and it's not confidence the way most people think. It's something quieter, something most people completely overlook.
The truth is, respect isn't something you ask for, and it's not something you force. It's something people decide, often without even realizing it. In the way you speak, the way you carry yourself, and more importantly, what you choose not to do. Most people try to impress. They talk more, explain more, try harder. And without noticing, they slowly lose the very thing they're trying to gain. But smart people follow a different approach. They understand a few quiet psychological rules that instantly change how others see them.
The more you say, the more control you give away. Most people speak to fill silence, to feel comfortable, to be understood, to be liked. But every extra word increases the chance of being judged, misunderstood, or dismissed. Smart people understand something simple. Silence carries weight. When you speak less, people listen more carefully. They pay attention. They try to read between the lines, and that changes how they see you. Not louder, just harder to ignore.
Before you say a single word, people have already formed an impression of you. That's how powerful reputation is. It's built quietly through consistency, behavior, and boundaries. Most people ignore this. They focus on what to say instead of how they're seen over time. But once your reputation becomes strong, you don't need to prove yourself constantly. People expect confidence from you. They expect control, and they treat you accordingly. Because in the end, respect doesn't come from one moment. It comes from what people believe about you before anything even happens.
Not everything needs to be shared. Most people reveal too much, too soon. Their plans, their thoughts, their next move. And without realizing it, they lose control of how they're perceived. Because once everything is visible, there's nothing left to interpret. Smart people move differently. They keep certain things private, not to deceive, but to stay in control of their direction. They let people see results, not the process behind them, and that creates a different kind of presence. One that feels focused, deliberate, and harder to predict.
The way you carry yourself tells people how to treat you. Not your words, not your intentions, your presence. Most people look for approval without realizing it, in their posture, their tone, even in the way they wait for reactions. And people feel that instantly. But quiet authority works differently. It's steady, unrushed, certain without needing validation. You don't chase attention, you hold your ground. And over time, people adjust to that energy. Because confidence isn't something you announce. It's something others recognize. Not everyone who is friendly is loyal, and not everyone who listens can be trusted. Most people give trust too quickly. They open up before understanding who they're dealing with. And once something is shared, it can't be taken back. Smart people move slower. They observe first. They watch patterns, not words. Because real character isn't shown in one moment, it's revealed over time. And by the time they choose to trust someone, it's intentional, not automatic, not rushed.
Most people think power is something you show, but real control is quiet. It's in what you don't say, what you don't reveal, how you carry yourself when no one is watching. These rules aren't about controlling others. They're about staying in control of yourself. In a world where most people react too fast, trust too easily, and speak without thinking. And once you see that clearly, you start moving differently.